why the Terra Classic stirs inferences, and what's next for Lunc. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So the Terra Classic community also marked noteworthy developments this week as Binance, a leading crypto exchange, announced the incineration of 5.57 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens. With this, the community collectively noted the burning of 93 billion Lunc. Furthermore, the community also rejected an 8 million USTC burn proposal, aiming to utilize it for chain development-related purposes. Simultaneously, Chris Amani, CEO of Terraform Labs, promptly propelled a price surge in Terra-backed tokens prices. This comes forth as a result of Amani's prediction, proclaiming that the Terra ecosystem will have the deepest stablecoin liquidity in Cosmos. Moreover, he states that Terra will be the only ecosystem to have sufficient liquidity for DeFi. Let's also talk about why the end of correction pattern hints 34% upsurge. The Terra Classic price experienced a significant downturn in December, marking a new correction phase from its high of 0.30's $28. The coin's value plummeted by over 49% within a month, struggling to find stability above 0.30's $135. However, the emergence of a bullish reversal pattern, coupled with Binance's Lunc burn mechanism, might provide the momentum needed for buyers to regain strength. The formation of a falling wedge pattern hints maturity of the current correction. A 61.8% retracement from the Lunc price indicates the buyers are struggling to maintain a strong grip over this asset. The intraday trading volume in the Lunc coin is $83.50 million, indicating a 43% loss. Analyzing the daily timeframe chart, the Terra Classic price demonstrates a falling wedge pattern. This pattern, characterized by its converging trend lines, indicates a gradual decrease in bearish momentum, potentially signaling an opportunity for buyers to take control. The market's awareness of this pattern is evident from the multiple reversals occurring at these trend lines. While the crypto market currently faces uncertainty, this pattern suggests that the Lunc price may only temporarily continue its downward trajectory before a significant breakout occurs. A breakout above the upper boundary of this pattern would signify an end to the correction phase and could lay the groundwork for a recovery trend. If this scenario unfolds, the post-breakout rally could target a 32% gain, reaching as high as 0.30's $183. The broader crypto market sentiment is tilting towards optimism, largely influenced by the anticipation of a Bitcoin spot ETF approval in January. Yet, if the Lunc price were to break below the lower trend line of the falling wedge pattern, it could intensify selling pressure. Such a move would challenge the bullish perspective and could extend the correction trend down to 0.30's $105, signaling a deeper setback for Terra Classic. The 61.8% Fibonacci level coincides with the 0.30's $14 support, creating a strong area of interest for buyers. The daily RSI slope at 44.5% hints the market sentiment is in correction mode. Now let's talk about revival in the Luna ecosystem. That Lunc is on focus is surprising, considering the devastation that followed when the once $40 billion Luna ecosystem tumbled in 2022. It appears to be a contrarian pick. As it is, Lunc is a spectacular case study, perfectly illustrating crypto's possibility and volatility that cuts both sides. Lunc is a token that emerged after the dust settled on Kwon's Luna and UST ecosystems. After crashing to near worthlessness in May and UST depegging, project believers wasted no time reviving Luna's variant Lunc. Over the past several months, Luna believers have been pumping millions of dollars into Lunc, helping revive the project from capitulation lows below 0.50's $1. An astonishing 99.9% from Luna's $100 it reached in 2021. Though heavily discounted at spot rates, Lunc is up by over 110% from October 2023 lows, and is now one of the top crypto to buy. Several factors are spurring this uptrend, including the listing of USTC perpetual contracts on Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. Additionally, the project's aggressive burning mechanism has supported prices. The uptrend is further supported by the broader expansion across the crypto, which has seen low market cap altcoins like Lunc rising by multiples, outperforming BATC and other coins with deeper liquidity. I also want to address the topic of why Lunc is up more than 60% in November. On November 27th, the USTC exchange rate rose 176% in 24 hours to $0.037. Terra Luna Classic rose almost 30% to $0.40's $968 between November 26th and November 27th. These positive signs appear to result from a community effort to restore the former glory of the Terra Classic ecosystem. CryptoWhale has seen other indicators that bode well for the network operation. Terra Classic Foundation data reveals that the number of Terra transactions has reached a record in the past week. On November 22nd, users initiated around 589,000 on the network, almost double the 300,000 daily average transactions for the previous month. At the same time, the number of tokens staked on the Terra Classic network has also risen. The proportion of Lunc tokens staked had increased to 15% of the total supply by November 24th. A higher number of staked tokens and increased usage point to positive sentiment from users. They suggest a revival of interest in the Terra Classic ecosystem. However, it is worth noting that these numbers are still far from the heights they soared to at Terra's peak. Also, any increases must be sustained for a significant period for Terra to reclaim its position in a crowded crypto ecosystem. The percentage of staked tokens has since dropped back to its trough of under 15%, as seen in mid-November. And lastly, given all of today's analysis of Lunc, let's talk about how it will reach $1. Considering the existing supply, a $1 price for Lunc would result in a Luna Classic market cap of $5.9 trillion. Given that the total crypto market cap peaked at $3 trillion, it's reasonable to conclude that a $1 Lunc is not a feasible expectation unless there's a significant reduction in the Lunc supply. The Terra Classic community is relying on the new burn tax on the token to decrease the Lunc supply, which experienced hyperinflation when the UST stablecoin fell below its $1 peg. This led to the system minting Lunc as holders converted their UST holdings to Lunc using the system's built-in mechanism. The token supply, which was approximately 343 million on May 4th, inflated to over 6.5 trillion by May 14th. At present, the Terra Classic blockchain imposes a 0.2% tax on all Lunc token transactions, aimed at gradually reducing the Lunc token supply. Initially, this tax was set at 1.2%, but it excessively deterred on-chain activity, leading to a more than 90% drop in on-chain transaction volume. Consequently, the community approved a proposal to reduce the tax to 0.2%. Despite the reduction, a 0.2% tax on all on-chain transactions could still pose a significant obstacle to the actual adoption of the Terra Classic blockchain. In simple terms, many other blockchains offer virtually the same functionality as Terra Classic without levying a tax on all transactions. Hence, it might be challenging for the Terra and Luna Classic ecosystem to become a significant player in decentralized finance, NFTs, and other use cases beyond speculative Lunc holding. From a certain viewpoint, Lunc has already rebounded. The coin boasts a market capitalization of over $500 million, even though the chain's DeFi ecosystem had a total value locked of only about $2.4 million as of the 27th of June, 2023. The platform also appears to have relatively low adoption in terms of decentralized applications. Therefore, it's difficult to claim that Lunc is currently undervalued. So how do you think? Can Lunc reach a price of 1 cent this year? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.